explain some sums based on linear equations in two variables. It is related to SSC, CBSE and ICSE also. Once you observe the question on board, solve the pair of linear equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Here, two pair of linear equations are given over here in two variables. That one we have to solve by reducing to linear equations. Okay, here in this bit there are 1 to 8 sums are there. In this 8 sums I am going to explain first one, third one, fifth one, seventh one as classwork. Rest of all, second one, fourth one, sixth one and eighth one I am going to give to a target. So let us do this sum over here. Okay, once you see what is the pair of linear equations here, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. This is one equation, and the second equation is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. This one we have to solve. Now you observe, I am going to start solution over here only. This one as it is I am going to take first. What I am going to do, as it is I am going to take given part. What is given part over here? 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. That one I am going to take it as equation number 1. One more, 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Equation number 2. So these two equations, after writing these two equations, now to find x is equal to question mark and y is equal to question mark. X value, y value we have to find over here. For finding x and y values, first step we have to do rewrite the equations. Rewrite the equations. Once you see, rewrite the equations. What are rewrite the equations? This one I am going to write equation number 1. I am going to write 5 into 1 by x minus 1 I am going to write plus, here nothing is there, only 1 is there, 1 by y minus 2 I am writing is equal to 2. This is equation number 1a. I am going to write 1a. Second equation, 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. This is equation number 2a. After writing this one, here you observe in equation number 1a, 1 by x minus 1 is there. In equation number 2a, 1 by x minus 1 is there. Instead of 1 by x minus 1, I am going to take some value a. So, see here, let 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, and also in equation number 1a, 1 by y minus 2 is there. In equation number 2a, 1 by y minus 2 is there. Here also, I am going to take some value b. Let 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So after writing this one, now I am going to substitute the values of 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2 in equation number 1a and 2a. Now you observe over here, substitute. Here only I am writing, substitute 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2 in equation number 1a and 2a. In 1a, 2a, instead of 1 by x minus 1 I am writing a, instead of 1 by y minus 2 b I am writing. So 5 into 1 by x minus 1 means a plus 1 by y minus 2 means b is equal to 2. This one I am going to take equation number 3 I am going to take. What I am going to take? 3 I am taking. Next equation number 2a is what here? 6 into a, 6a. 6a minus 3 into b, 3b is equal to, what is there here? 1. 1 is there. 1 I am going to write. This is equation number 4. After writing equation number 3 and equation number 4. So what is there in question 1 is solve the pair of linear equations. These two pair of linear equations by reducing them. This one I reduce it to like this. After that, now I am going to solve. Now you observe, for solving equation number 3 and 4, we must have the coefficients of a's or coefficients of b's must be same. So here coefficient of a is 5, here coefficient of a is 6. These both are not same. Here also not same. But for getting same value, for both coefficient must be same. For doing that, what should we do? We have to do LCM. Now here b is having plus symbol, here b is having minus symbol. So by equalizing the coefficients b, we can do addition. So that's why what I am going to do here the coefficient of b is 1, the coefficient of b is 3. That 1 and 3 I am going to do LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and 3? LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So here already it is there 3 only. That's why here what I am going to do 3. For getting 3 here, what should we for 1 what should we multiply? For getting 3 we have to multiply 3. 3 into b. So here 3 into equation number 3 plus equation number 4. So 3 into equation number 3. This 3 equation I am going to multiply with the 3. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15a plus 3 into b. 3b is equal to 3 into 2. 6. This is just like equation number 5 you take. Now one more is what? No need to take over here. So see, equation number 4 is what? 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. What? These two what I am going to do? Addition. Addition means plus 3b minus 3b gets cancellation. So what is the balance over here? 15a plus 6a. So 21a is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the value of 21a is equal to 7? A is equal to what here? 7 by 21. 7 ones are 7. 7 3s are 21. So it implies a is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. So we got the value of a when we are solving equation number 3 and 4. What do we need more? We need value b. So for getting value b, we have to substitute a in equation number 1 or 2. Wherever you substitute, no problem at all. Now substitute a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 3 I am substituting. In 3 I am going to substitute. So 5, instead of a I am going to write 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. Here one whole number, one fraction. We have to multiply. 5 ones are 5. 5 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. This 5 by 3 is taken on this side. What will happen? Is implies b is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. So what can we do? Nothing is there, means by 1 we have to do LCM. What is LCM of here? 1 3 LCM 3. 1 into how much? 3 3. 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 3 3. Both the denominators are same. We can multiply 1. 1 into 5 5. So what we are getting over here? 6 minus 5, 1 we are getting. 1 by 3. What is the value of b here now? The value of b is 1 by 3. So therefore, b is equal to 1 by 3. We got the values of a and b also. So after getting the a value and b value, what we need to find? We need to find the values of x and y. So for finding x and y values, we have to substitute the values of a and b in 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 3 and b is equal to 1 by 3 in where we have to substitute that 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. Instead of a I am going to substitute 1 by 3 and instead of b also I am going to substitute 1 by 3. Now take 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, instead of 1 by I am writing 1 by 3. So between two fractions equal to symbol means what should we do? We have to do cross multiplication. Now I am going to do cross multiplication over here. So x minus 1 into 1. Whatever we multiply with 1 we get the same. That only we are getting. So x minus 1 into 1, x minus 1 is equal to 1 into 3, 3. After that here minus 1 I am going to take it this side. It will be x is equal to 3 minus 1 is taken on this side plus 1. It implies x is equal to 3 plus 1 value is what? 4. So we got the value x. Now I am going to take over here 1 by y minus 2 is equal to, what is b value here? 1 by 3. Again same to same cross multiply between two fractions equal to symbol means what should we do? Cross multiplication. Y minus 2 into 1, y minus 2 is equal to 1 into 3, 3. This one I am going to write, this 2 I am going to take RHS side. Y is equal to 3 plus 2 is implies, how can we write this is y is equal to 5. Therefore the value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Hence we solved the given linear equations. Okay, thank you.